Hi beautiful people, today I'm going to be reviewing these shoes and we're going to be judging them by three criteria. One is how comfortable they are, two, would I buy them again, and three, is it worth the money? So stay tuned and we'll take a look, and at the end I'll be showing you more shoes that I'll be reviewing.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like this video and subscribe. This really would help my channel a lot. So if you want to encourage me to make more of these, please like it and stay tuned for more.